guys, garlic looking so good. We're gonna keep digging. Hey guys, today we are going to be harvesting our garlic. It's one of my favorite things to grow. We grow it every year, 400 to 500 bulbs that we usually get, and we've learned how to seed save from them and keep getting bigger and bigger bulbs every year. So that way when you're dicing up your garlic, you're not using those little tiny cloves that are so small and what a pain in the butt to deal with. So if you learn how to seed save correctly from the garlic, you keep getting bigger and better results. So we're gonna dig some up today. These, I cut the scapes about a month ago. And usually in Michigan, in the Midwest here, we are harvesting the garlic itself in the middle of July, like the second, third week in July, depending on the weather and how everything's going. And so what we're looking for is a lot of the leaves to be totally dying back. A couple of the bottom ones, three of them are already brown and died down here. And you can see that they're burning and everything at the top. So that means the energy has been spent, and now they're just going to just slowly die off, basically. So we want to make sure we harvest them. So what we're going to do is carefully dig them up. Use any kind of like trowel or spade or something that's really small like this, so you can get into each one and make it careful so you're not nicking any of the bulbs, because you don't want to do that. If you do accidentally nick some or cut some or anything like that, those are the ones that you're going to want to go ahead and first use up in your kitchen. All right, so let's dig up one of these now. So come on down here. Let's dig this one up. I can tell by the stalk right here that this is not going to be that big of a bulb, but that's going to be okay because it will all get eaten. And we also have some fun dill growing in here. So let's just kind of go around it. Make sure you're a couple inches away from it, just so you're not going to get it in there or hurt the bulb like I was saying. Oh, baby. This stuff has been packed in the ground since early November. So you plant garlic in the fall. If you want to know exactly how to plant it, you can grab my book, Seed to Plate, and have it in a printout. You can also go to my website, foodprune.com, and search garlic, and you can learn that way. Oh, let's take a look at this beauty here. Okay, awesome. Look at that. That looks great. So you're just going to knock off some of the dirt on the bottom of the roots. Don't do them all. Don't do it all. Don't get in there and start rubbing the dirt. The dirt is going to actually help it cure. But you can tell that is one clove right there. One clove right there. Now those are the ones I want to take into my kitchen and cut up. We're going to keep continuing harvesting all of them today before a lot of rain comes. And even if some of them are a little more green and some of them are a little more brown, we're going to go ahead and just harvest them all. We're going to put them in our wagon and take them underneath our lean-to or shed area that we have a great ventilation with lots of wind flow. And it's going to be high humidity because it's already summer, so it's perfect timing for that. You want them in the shade and everything like that. So here's to the awesome garlic harvest of 2026.
How's it going?
Look at this. We are talking big garlic bulbs this year. Look at the size of one clove. That's the clove that I want to take into my kitchen and dice up, and not those little tiny wussy things, right? We don't want that. So we are going to be harvesting about 400 or so bulbs this year for 2026, and I'm looking forward to it because I just popped this first one out and it's looking really good.
Okay.
We're digging. It's like Christmas in July. This is what I'm talking about. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Look at that. Woo, garlic. All right, so this one I can tell is definitely going to be a lot smaller, but we're going to dig it anyways because rain's coming and I want to get them all out and plant some other stuff in here. So this is definitely a different size than this one right here. These are the ones you're not going to seed save from because they're too small. I want these bad boys to keep growing, so I'm going to seed save from this one. Look at that. Look at those garlic cloves looking good. You can learn how to grow everything seed save and get the biggest, best bulbs in my book, Seed to Plate. Find it at my website, foodprune.com.
Wussy.
Check out this one. Look at that. It just barely fits inside of my hand.